Okay, hi guys. This is year 2, chapter 8, vocabulary. The first word is ask. Kind of hands are kind of apart and then they come together. When you ask for something, we should go to God in prayer first, right? So let's ask God first. In, your hand is kind of open so that your other hand can come inside. In, and the opposite is out. In and out. Up and down. Good. It's kind of like being thankful. Thank you. When you are thankful, that is very good. The opposite is bad. Away from your mouth. Bad. Fast. It's kind of like you're throwing up a penny, seeing if it lands heads or tails. I think when you make decisions, you should do that and make the decision before your penny lands, because that's often what your first instinct is anyway. So you should make a fast decision by throwing your penny, right? Long, if you measure something, see how long it is. Short or soon, not as in the height short, but we're doing soon. You okay? Micah, can you take care of him for a minute? Thank you. Soon. So when something's happening soon, it's coming quickly. Stop. Right now, something needs to stop. So hammer comes down. You can think of the train, like if this is the tracks and that arm comes down to stop traffic. Stop. Participate or join. So if this is a team and an O and you've got a friend with you and you're going to go and participate or join in to a team. And then if you're going to quit a team, then you're going to pull out of that team. Or resign. Resign or quit. Go. And right. An R moving in that direction is right, or left with an L. Left. Correct. So the sign for right or correct is just one on top of the other. So it makes me think of something that is true. Our words should line up with what's right in the Bible. So this is true, but you're coming down because that should be what is right. Okay? So, right. The next one is difficult. It looks and feels like problem, but remember, problem is like this when you're trying to find a solution that fits together. But when something is just not working out, it's difficult. Difficult. Can, like your ability to get something done, can. Behind. So remember, this is pass, but if you're talking about behind, then you're going to come back behind. So if these are your cars, you're going to come behind another car. Negative. So this is your whiteboard or your chalkboard, and you're talking about something that's negative, you're going to put up a negative sign. Negative. Light or bright comes together and then goes out. Light or bright. If you want to talk about turning the lights on, you just go straight up. Or turning the lights off. Lights on, lights off. Bright or light. Dark or dim, you're going to have flat hands and it comes down. Dark or dim. The next one is always. So it just goes in a circle. Remember when we do forever, kind of like a circle and then forever, that kind of goes up into the sky for like eternity. But this always happens here on earth, right? Always. Broad-minded, your fingertips are together above your mind and it opens up. Broad-minded or narrow-minded. Broad-minded, narrow-minded. And condense. So if you have a lot to say, but you don't have very much time, so you're going to have to condense it into a small amount of time. Condense your story. It's also the word summarize. So just take it and bring it right down to a small amount that's doable. And then the last word's never, which you guys should know from your Bible verse last week. So never. Okay, I think that's it. Thanks.